Okay, so for the third layer, I'm going to be using my pink thread. In this case, it was an embroidery thread that was roughly a size 10. You could use any thread that's going to be consistent with the thread that you've used for the rest of the project. And this is just a very soft pink. This is just a very soft pink. So what we're going to do, we're going to start out by tatting a ring. And we're going to, and this requires very little thread. We're just making kind of little medallions on the tips of the cross. So you don't need to leave a lot of thread space between. I would leave about 12 inches really. I'm going to make a small ring to begin with. It's going to be 4 double stitches, 1 picot, 4 double stitches, and then close our work. Make a knot, right like that. Then at this point, we're going to just make another ring. This one's going to be larger, so we're going to do 3 double stitches, picot, 3 double stitches, and then we're going to join it to our cross that we were making. I'm going to hold it all out of the way so it doesn't get tangled up, and I'm just going to attach it. This is the tip of one of the cross points. So we're going to do it the same exact thing on all 4 points, but each one separately. So this is the top of the cross, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to join it to that 3rd free picot. Right like that. And then I'm going to finish up by doing 3 double stitches, picot, 3 double stitches, and closing my work. Once you close it, and make a knot, right like that. Okay, now I'm going to make a large ring. So I'm going to start out with 4 double stitches, going to join that free picot of the small ring that I've made, and then I'm going to make 5 double stitches, picot, 5 more double stitches, picot, and then 4 double stitches. And this picot I made is rather small, so you can just always go back and stretch them out to make them more even. Okay, now I'm ready to close that ring. Tie my knot. I'm going to reverse my work at this point, like that. I'm going to make my next ring, and it's going to be similar to this one that we previously made. So I'm going to do 3 double stitches, and I'm going to join it to that free picot of that ring that is attached between the pink and that green previous layer. Like that. 3 more double stitches. And then join it to the next free picot of that next chain on that base layer that's green. 3 more double stitches, picot, 3 more double stitches, And then we're going to close our work. We're almost done. Right like that. And then I'm going to reverse my work. I'm going to make my last ring, and this is going to be the same as this first little one. So 4 double stitches. Move my tatting out of the way. And then I'm going to join it to that free picot of the large ring. 4 more double stitches. And then close my work. Okay, so at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to double knot it, hide those thread ends, cut my thread, and then I'll iron it, and I will make 4 of these in total, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so when they're all done, this is what it is going to look like. If I rotate it, you can see there's one on every point of the cross. If I lay it down, you can see how the green layer looks as well as how the pink looks. Let me go ahead and lay that down and let it come into focus. Alright, and there we have it. That is our finished cross right there. I'll put my hands in there for scale. You can see it's pretty good size. And we've got the ecru color in the middle, the light green on the second layer round, and then the pink tips for that third layer round. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please comment, like, all of those things, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And when you do subscribe, make sure and hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified of all new content. You can also check out RustiKate on the RustiKate Facebook page, RustiKate shop on Etsy, as well as rustikate.com.